Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we had some overview of the pointers, how they work, and in this video we'll do the hands-on practice on the pointers. So let's quickly get started without wasting our time. And so the first thing we are going to do is initialize a variable, or also declare it as well. So age, as I'm putting it here, 18. And now, what if I want to print age? I'll simply just go through this stuff and it will print me the age. Yeah, let's go for it. And yep, it is printing me age. Now, as we saw in the last video, we had something like ampersand. What does ampersand do? It prints the value that is known as the address. For example, if 18 is stored somewhere in the memory, what is that location? So to know that, we'll simply have to put here ampersand, that is and symbol, and I'll run it again. And yep, this is the address where the 18 is stored in the memory location. So this was for the address, how to fetch the address for the value. Now if we go for the pointers, so how we will declare the pointer. So it would be the same as the one you are referring to. So if you are referring to age, that is integer, so the pointer will be also integer. And then the star symbol with the name, that is age ptr, we are changing because the name couldn't be same. So age ptr equals to, will not do equals to right now, let's just simply do it like this only. So what this HPTR is doing, it is simply giving us this value through age. So if I'll do like now, if I'll declare now HPTR equals to, now it would be ampersand age. So as we know, the assignment operator, what does it do? It transfers these values into this one. So now the address is now in the HPTR. So now we have three different statements, that is simple age, star HPTR, and age, and this HPTR. So there are four of them. Now let's play with them, how these ones gives us the output. So here I'm putting age, and I'll do one thing here to make this a bit separate, and now we'll put here star, not star, let's go with the and age. So we know it gives us the address. So I'll run this thing now. So as we saw before, it is giving us the age, that is 18, and the ampersand age is giving us the address. That was the basic thing that we saw before this. Now what if I don't want to use both of these terms, but I want the same output? So we can do it with the help of the pointer. That is why the reason we are using the pointer now is cout, then we'll go for this again, and pointer AGEPTR. Now this pointer, that means it is pointing the value which is as HPTR. Now what is HPTR? HPTR is nothing but the address that we just stored. So that is, okay, you just go to HPTR and it will be clear. Let's run it again. And yeah, we are getting the same thing. Let me just make a new line here so it would be clear for all of us. Not end, it's ENDL. Let's go. So it is the same output, yeah, as you guys can see here. So this is the use of the pointer. Now if I'm putting HPTR, so this age address is now transferred into HPTR, and HPTR is here as denoted by star HPTR. That means this is pointing to the value 18 now. So that is why we are getting this output here, that is 18 as star HPTR and HPTR and ampersand age. So I guess this was all for this video, pointers and all the stuff. We'll have some in-depth conversation with this in the next video. So do subscribe the channel and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.